Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome Class 8 Physics students in APSEC's online sport program. I am Mrs. Alia Jadoon from Army Public School and College, Fort Road, Rawalpindi. This is now 6th week of OSP session for Class 8 Physics students. We will continue Chapter 1, Physical Quantity and Measurement. The topic which we will discuss today is stopwatch. It is from page number 18 to 19 of your textbook. After going through this topic, students, you will be able to describe how to measure small interval of time using an appropriate measuring instrument. We know that physical quantities are those quantities which are measurable, जिनका एक मैग्नीट्यूड होता है और उनके लिए appropriate यूनिट इस्तेमाल की जाती है. फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज़ के दो ग्रुप्स हैं. वन ऑफ देम इज़ बेस क्वांटिटी एंड द अदर वन इज़ ड्राइव क्वांटिटी. 7 बेस क्वांटिटीज़ में से एक फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी टाइम भी है. टाइम इज़ आल्सो मेजरेबल और इसको मेजर करने के लिए जो मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं उन्हें क्लॉक या वॉचेस कहा जाता है. वॉचेस में हम फ्रीक्वेंटली जो टर्म यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज़ क्वार्ट्ज वॉच. क्वार्ट्ज बेसिकली एक क्रिस्टल है और इसकी ये प्रॉपर्टी होती है कि जब इसके अंदर करंट पास किया जाए तो ये बहुत प्रिसाइज फ्रीक्वेंसी के साथ वाइब्रेट करता है. तो जब 3, 2, 7, 6, 8 टाइम्स ये वाइब्रेट करता है तो जो ड्यूरेशन हमारे पास आएगा उसको इंटरनेशनली कंसिडर्ड एज 1 सेकेंड. दिस इज़ अ वेरी रिलायबल वे टू कीप द ट्रैक ऑफ द टाइम. कुछ एंशिएंट टेक्निक्स थी टाइम को मेजर करने के लिए. इसके लिए एक प्रॉपर्टी कंसिडर की जाती थी कि वो तमाम नेचुरल फिनोमेनास जो अपने आप को रेगुलर इंटरवल ऑफ पीरियड के बाद रिपीट करते हैं दे कैन बी टेकन एज द टाइम मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. जैसे फेजेस ऑफ मून, इसके अलावा सनराइज एंड सनसेट, चेंजिंग ऑफ सीजन्स. These were some of the old ways to measure or to count the time. Now the ordinary watch shows us time. It just displays time and it keeps on moving. Sometimes we do participate in activities which require accurately perceived time. These activities may happen in a fraction of a second and we just want to measure the time very accurately. Now analog clocks are not able to measure the time properly, so sometimes in the games like sprint competition, sprint is actually running over a short distance in a very limiting period of time. So I'm just asking you that can an analog clock be used to measure the time in a 100-meter sprint competition? Just think over it. We are going to introduce a very useful time measuring instrument. It's a stopwatch. Stopwatch जो है it is being invented by a horologist whose name was Samuel Watson. और जो stopwatch है it is also known as chronograph. ये एक Greek word है, बल्कि combination of words है. Chronos mean time और graph means record, यानी ये time को record करने वाला measuring instrument है. It is a handheld timepiece designed to measure the amount of the time that elapses between its activation and deactivation. It is commonly used in laboratories and in sport activities as well. The use of stopwatch is not limited to the sport activities only. Many other tasks that need to be tracked and utilize a stopwatch, as it can provide information such as split or lap times to help determine the quality of the performances. Nowadays, stopwatches are everywhere, on people's watch, on your smartphones, in your tablets, in your school laboratories, and so on. There are two types of stopwatch. Mechanical stopwatch and a digital stopwatch. Mechanical stopwatch you can see in the figure. It can measure the time accurately up to 1/10th of a second, that is equal to 0.1 second. Digital stopwatch जो हैं ये time को up to 1/100th of a second accurately measure कर सकते हैं. So it is having a least count of 0.01 second. Now let us see how a mechanical stopwatch works. It has a knob that is used to wind the spring that powers the watch. It can also be used as start, stop and reset button. The watch starts when the knob is pressed once. When it is repressed or pressed second time, it stops. the watch, and third time if you are going to press the button, then the needle will come back to its initial or zero position. मैकेनिकल स्टॉप वॉच जब आप यूज़ करते हैं तो उसमें टाइम आपने रिकॉर्ड करना होता है, ठीक है, रीड करना होता है. वेयर एज वर्किंग ऑफ डिजिटल स्टॉप वॉच इज़ इवन मोर ईजी. It starts to indicate the time lapse as start button is pressed. As soon as this button is pressed again, it stop and indicates the time interval recorded by it between start and stop of an event. आपकी जो डिस्प्ले होगा वहाँ पे रिकॉर्डेड टाइम आ जाएगा. अनलाइक योर मैकेनिकल स्टॉप वॉच, उसमें आपको काउंट करना पड़ेगा. देन देर इज़ अ रीसेट बटन that restores its initial zero setting. Now here is a very simple activity I have planned for you, which I used to play with my siblings when I was a child. बड़ा मज़ा आता था. हम ये बैठ करते थे कि देखेंगे कि कौन ज़्यादा देर तक आँख नहीं झपकेगा, और हमारे अपने मैयर्स होते थे इसको रिकॉर्ड करने के. बट हेयर द सेम एक्टिविटीज़ प्लान फॉर यू. यू हैव टू मेक यूज़ ऑफ दिस स्टॉप वॉच. You along with your 3 friends, you just record the time that out of you 3 who is taking more time to blink the eyes. It's a very simple game. I'm sure you will have fun playing with stopwatch. Take care. Allah Hafiz.